Okay, as you may or may not know, um, you can record the Zoom meeting and actually broadcast the Zoom meeting to Facebook Workspace. They do not allow streaming to YouTube or to Facebook itself. However, they have a setting called live stream to a custom service. To do that, you have to provide a streaming URL, a streaming key, and a streaming page URL. Now, if the streaming key comes from Facebook or from YouTube, if you've got streaming keys for those services, could you not then use the streaming URL key from those same services and the live streaming page URL, which I'm assuming is like the YouTube watch page. I don't know exactly what these terms mean, and then click go live and be broadcasting to them? I'm curious. I don't do that much live streaming or anything, so I don't know, but I am posing the question if anybody happens to have an answer for it. So I'm going to stop this screen share right now. And so I've stopped the screen share. Now we're recording, and I will stop this. And I'm going to put it up on YouTube. And then maybe